So, you wanted to hear it, yeah?
Yep.
Man, I wasn't expecting that. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm so, oh man, that's so much.
What an awful weather outside. I'm gonna show it to you right now. It's raining a lot, and these guys over there are training to get the motorcycle license. Wow, you really have to be determined in order to do that on this kind of weather. But as for us, we're at the garage right now, and we have a special episode from our vlog because my colleague Bogdanel is getting ready for the racing season, and he's got a brand new bike, BMW RR 2021 model, and he's got an Akrapovic full exhaust to mount on his bike and some other racing parts, because in a couple of days he's gonna start the racing season. Salutare!
Hey.
So it's a BMW.
S1000RR
This is a Honda t-shirt.
and an Aprilia.
That's so cool.
As you said, this is a BMW S1000RR 2021. I used to race the previous model, but right now I made the upgrade. It's a nice bike, it's lighter, it feels cooler, more power, better electronics, also lightweight wheels, very good engine, and yeah, it looks very good in this street trim. But I want to change it, I want to make it a race bike, so in order to do that I bought new rear sets, new clip-ons, new exhaust, and many other parts. But for now I want to fit the Superbike exhaust system, which is an Akrapovic exhaust that we have over here. So we just got this one. It's made for the bike itself. It's a very nice sounding system, and it has its performance, so this is very cool. I can't wait to do it. I also made some small changes in order for this exhaust to work with my bike. I had to work with the ECU. I sent it into Germany. There are two guys over there. They are called RS2E, and they work on your ECU. They can work on your dash. They can improve it so it can stand this exhaust system, because the bike, it's Euro 5 and it won't work very well if you fit another exhaust, a racing exhaust like this one. So you also have to change the ECU. So enough talking, let's unbox everything and afterwards hear the sound, because I can't wait to do it. Să treci și mai multe, nu?
Le arunci?
Nu încă. Okay. So here's the intake manifold. I have to remove these bolts. There are like 8 bolts over there. I'll have to make some room in order to work over here, so I'll have to take off the radiator and push it a bit further from the exhaust so I can put my hands inside. Also, I have to remove the oxygen sensors, and this is the servo for the exhaust that I will leave on the bike. I'll have to leave it over here so the bike won't get any errors. These are the cables that I will fit underneath the bike, and this should be all. So this is the ECU, is the stock one, but the guys at RSTV made some changes, and the bike should work even better right now, more horsepower and less problems, let's put it like that. No more Euro 5. Euro 5 is gone. Who needs it? Who needs it? Nobody needs Euro 5 when you're riding on track. Woo!
Sell with it?
So let's make a comparison right now. You hold this one.
Yep.
And I'm about to unbox this new one so we can check out the differences, because I think this one is a bit lighter. Oh, I even have a book over here. Check this out, it's a manual.
Of course we're not gonna read it.
Who cares about this one? I'm kidding, I always read the manual. Oh, and this is the new one. It's so sexy. It looks very, very good.
It looks better.
Yeah, a lot better than this one.
Take this one as a comparison.
It's close to this dimension. This is the titanium one. I think just by holding both of them in my hands, I think this one, it's half the weight of the usual muffler, the stock one. You have to trust me on this one because you're holding the camera right now.
Is the product warranty still available after doing this?
Me ready. This is so heavy.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. It's very heavy. It's actually 2 times heavier than the previous model. Okay, so mind your feet. Let's check what's inside over here, because this one will go on the bike.
Opa, careful my age.
Lot not heavier than that one. Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Is that you over there?
Yeah, that's me when I was younger.
Like 5 years?
Like 10 years ago. So are you ready to start it? We shall start it right now. I'm curious how it sounds. that, man. I wasn't expecting that. So,
Okay.
so it's pretty loud. Yeah, it's a bit smoky because it has a layer of oil on it, so it won't rust or something. Because I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm so. Oh man, that's so much. Yeah, it's so cool because it sounds very, very loud, and the engine revs up pretty fast. So I think it's a bit faster revving than with the previous exhaust. So that's pretty cool. That was what I wanted for this bike, and yeah, it's so cool. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Hopefully you like it too, guys. Until next time, I'll have to fit the race fairing and the suspensions and lots of stuff on the bike. See you next time. See you on track. See you guys. Bye. Nu, e perfect amestecul.